even know why it skipped my mind. Well, okay, because I had the camera, so I didn't think it was important for me to vlog anything. But yeah, this was a sneaker maintenance store launch, and it was really good. I'm not going to lie. I was impressed with the turnout, even though the promotion happened like 2 days before the event. The turnout came out great. I got to connect with a lot of people, networking opportunity. I came with my brand to sell, so it was good. I also came isolated so that I won't be doing this video in front of people, and also there will be no copyright music. But I have a live session with a modeling agency. I'm supposed to be a panelist on we are doing a live where we'll talk about it and promote it as well. Then I also met with a fashion house about doing promo for them. So today was productive overall, but it's like future productive. I don't know how to put it. It's going to be productive in the future, but not right now. If you're watching, don't forget to drop a like and sub. This camera, I have a lot of videos here, but before I edit it down, it's going to take a long time. So I'll just do a vlog here. I'll get something to eat, maybe add some stuff from the lunch as well. But I'll see you guys though. I'll see you guys.
Hi, this is Everything Cook and Grill, the best cocktail and small chops vendor in Abuja. And we are here live at the grand opening of Spotless. Yes, if Everything Cook and Grill is not at your event, what are you serving?
I want to say something real quick. Somebody recognized me, and there's no feeling. It never gets old, man. Every time it's just making me like feel like I'm one kind of celeb. I'll be blushing. I swear, whenever I go out, and if you recognize me outside, please come and talk to me, bro. You'll make my day. I swear. Just come and talk to me. Me, I'm not one kind of guy that will be forming now. Like I said, we networked and get to meet people, man. Can't wait for more to come. Bro, it's a long day. I'm going to eat now. I'm praying for this month, man. This month better be better than last month and January. That's my prayer, I beg. I've tried. I just finished my stream now. I'm exhausted. I had a long day, so I'm going to call it a night. Please, if you made it to this point, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I couldn't do a full-length vlog because I had a lot of work to do. I was trying to sell. I was vlogging on my camera. I couldn't vlog on my phone. The in-depth video will be out like weekend or next week, so you guys should look forward to that. Also, I mentioned that already. Networking opportunity. It was a good day though. It was a good day. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Please drop a like. We're trying to get to 100k, man. It's a very big goal, but just drop a like and subscribe to go a long way. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. If there are any questions you have, let's say about doing a pop-up or collaboration or whatever, leave it in the comments. I'll try to answer or make a video about it. That's going to be it, man. I'm Abdrazak Sani, and we are building the most impactful brand in the world.